so well done. See, these are my two favorite men in the world right now.
Welcome to Lake Tyler.
Yeah.
I'm your host, Dave.
Yeah, I got a squeegee in my friend's car. I'm gonna do that.
Aww.
You got any kind of herb in your room, bring it out. Everybody got drones?
Still going.
It's so favorite.
Have it down the counter, Bruce. Is it down there?
She's like, help her.
Get stuff on the floor?
What's that?
What?
I'm gonna do a video on video, but.
Oh.
Hello!
Oh!
Look over here! What's this water come from?
Stop.
Maybe a little.
No, just be like walking regularly. Pretend you're like talking about something.
What the hell? What is going on?
You know what, I don't know if it's still coming out, but... On the stairs, Tim, here? Isn't that a piece right there with the table? Is this wood right there?
I have to think about approach. I need more to it. Like, does it need to come up to a final?
Way, dude. When I walked down, I was like, what the fuck's happening? And then I saw that huge water pile and I was like, oh.
Alright, so